girl, she says, giving you a smile.
Hey, honey.
Right now I'm getting the back of everybody's heads.
Who is this?
There you go. Yeah, welcome to LA.
Oh, she's gonna
Hi, Alicia.
say it's Happy.
Hi.
Say hi to Happy.
Hi. You're just so pretty. You're just so pretty.
Here, Chip, man the camera.
Okay.
It's recording.
Is that Gigi? Is that Gigi?
You want to say hi to Gigi?
Hi.
Here, say hi to Gigi.
Hi, honey. Hello, little love bug. Oh.
She is looking over at the camera.
You're so cute. You're so cute.
This is Happy,
You're so cute.
and that's Gigi.
You're so cute. You're so cute.
Look at her.
She says, I don't know about you. You're a little too
She
bubbly.
did the nap.
No,
takeout.
she likes
Took
it.
a 15-minute nap.
Hi, honey.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Hi.
You're finally here. That's a long trip, isn't it?
Hello. Oh, you're such a sweetie.
Yeah.
Hi,
too bad.
Alicia.
Mwah.
Oh,
You're welcome. You did it.
I know. I kept saying, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. We did it so we could see you guys. So we can see you guys.
Thank you.
Yes. We thought we have to get our hands on this new little one. Cute bag. Oh, I just got it for the airport thing.
Beer brother.
How you doing?
I don't usually do
That's
that,
mine
but
from Heather.
How you doing?
so cute. Well, Heather got me one, but it wasn't big enough. It was like an older one I had, and she said she had one with a zipper, so of course off I went to look for one with a zipper, but it worked. I had my purse in there and everything.
Oh, nice. Yeah, those.
Did somebody find my hair?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You
She'll,
can find your
she'll
glasses.
pull your hair and your
Oh, you're not
glasses.
careful.
What? Do you want to see
You want
me
me to
without
hold
them? Do you want me to see me without them? Say, oh,
She's like, no, I actually wanted to grab them and eat them.
did you want to eat my glasses? They're
I'll
so
eat
beat up.
anything.
They're so beat up.
She eat her. She's eating her shoes today.
Oh, she was eating her shoes? Yeah.
Then we lost one.
Abba. Abba.
Oh, she's so dear. Oh my gosh, she's not even crying. She's at least.
No,
at
she
the age
likes
where
people.
She doesn't. She likes people. I love her little room. You have it looking so cute.
Yeah, this used to be our dining room.
But it looks
You want something to drink, buddy?
Everything.
Okay.
This little thing was a dining room.
Do you want me to stop?
Yeah, you can stop it.
But every